This time of year, the flu typically takes center stage, but this year in Arkansas, we're seeing elevated cases of whooping cough, more than we have seen, in fact, in roughly 2 decades.
Channel 7's Andrew Mobley joins us live in studio with more. Andrew.
Whooping cough cases are rising nationwide, already causing 3 infant deaths in Kentucky, and Arkansas healthcare providers are afraid the same could happen here.
And that's certainly the fear here, right? As our numbers continue to rise, there's a certain inevitability in that, which was just really hard to think about for our patients and our families.
In 2023, there were only 38 reported cases of whooping cough. So far this year, there have been 486. The extremely contagious disease is a particular threat to infants. Lyon says what's more concerning than the rise in cases is their increased severity.
We're starting to see such a more severe resurgence where we're having more hospitalizations for kids. We're at least partially attributing that to some of the decreased vaccination rates we're seeing in the community.
Rising vaccine hesitancy is one of the major factors in the surge in cases. But the National Institutes of Health also says pertussis, the bacteria that causes whooping cough, is evolving to resist vaccines. Still, the DTaP vaccine for infants, which also protects against tetanus, offers the best rates of protection for children against the potentially deadly disease.
Protects kids specifically for pertussis at upwards of 80 to 90%, if not a little bit more, through that initial series.
But childhood vaccine schedules in the U.S., including for whooping cough, may soon be about to change. Tomorrow morning, a panel of vaccine advisors appointed by Health Secretary and vaccine skeptic RFK Jr. is meeting to discuss potential recommendations to the CDC.
I think there's definitely a lot of concern in the community right now, a lot of unknown, but I would not expect a big change for something especially centered around pertussis because we know it works so well and is incredibly safe to do for kids.
Arkansas's largest outbreak of whooping cough in the vaccine age happened in 2001 with over 1,000 cases. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Okay, Andrew, thanks. Some eye-opening numbers this year. For more on that and more information on the outbreak, visit KATV.com.